shit.
Supply all 56 to 100 houses with wireless internet. We'll be doing it.
Yeah, we'll be doing it. Welcome back to another video. Please don't So first off, thanks to my mate Squarespace for sponsoring the vlog. And second, yeah, that monitor was broken, okay? So Toby and I have had this monitor literally lying in the house for about 4 months. I'm not sure if you guys remember, but literally last year I surprised my roommate Toby with like a brand new gaming setup, and it had 2 monitors. And well, now he only has 1. Because this one, like I said, broke before we threw it out the window. We recorded the video of it falling out the window about a week ago. I put it on Twitter and I haven't really made any vlogs simply because of that, because of the response that video had. It was uploaded with a funny caption. It was meant to be funny. A lot of people found it funny, but then there was also like a small percentage of people that thought the monitor was fine and we broke a working screen in a time of world need. So what I thought I'd do, go around this house and maybe the office, depending on how much we find, and just give some stuff away. Here you go. Okay, so I think for this we should start in the garage. I've got like a second floor up there with shelves of stuff that companies have sent me that I was meant to kind of review and just haven't. So welcome to the garage. If you didn't see literally the last video that I did, Toby and I built this gym, obviously in light of Corona because all the gyms are closed. We could do with another one of these little mini bars and a couple of other bits, but you can do sort of single arm workouts, and for at the moment, in here is fine. So if you want to check out this video, if the gym interests you, then it's in the description, but we're gonna go up there. Because up here is where I keep all of my things. Okay, yeah, up here is a little bit sketchy. See ya. Right, so have a look round if you can. I mean, there's so much stuff up here. I'm sort of trying to straddle over all of this. There's an MSI keyboard here. Let's give one of those away. Okay, GK80. To go with that keyboard is an ROG mouse. Now, all of these things I'm going to be giving away separately. Some noise cancelling headphones, so that's sick. Gonna give away some more stuff, but 3 things from this loft space. Yeah, I think that'll do for now. Cool, right, let's see if there's anything in the kitchen. Okay, so I've got a few phones here that I would love to give away. Like, I've got a Pixel 2 XL, but the problem is it's like engraved with my logo. Same with this S20 Ultra. It says Space Selfie and it has like my name. And these are the phones that I'm testing now, but in a month's time, we'll give away this Honor phone after I've tested it. Upstairs, let's go upstairs. So I think maybe in my bedside drawer, yeah, I've got a set of these little in-ear One More headphones. Those would be quite nice to give away, wouldn't they? Sick.
We should definitely give away something on your desk.
On my desk, okay. Yeah, but the thing is, mate, I use everything on the desk. No way, no, there's no way. That's ridiculous. Yeah, desk isn't probably the best.
Nothing on there? What about your keyboard then? You're always on this.
I've just started playing music. I've just literally started to learn how to write music on Logic. I can't give that away.
Right, the headphones and the keyboard.
Headphones and the keyboard. Race me for them.
Yeah, so if I win the race, then you have to give away the keyboard and the headset.
But okay, that's not very fair though. What if I win? If I win, we get to smash your other computer monitor. But what type of race?
The BMW M2 competition. It features the S55 engine from the M3 and M4.
Oh mate, I'm gonna absolutely smoke you.
What do you mean? Actually, to be fair, do you think this is even really the best idea, giving light of the current situation?
What current situation?
You know, coronavirus and everything, we shouldn't really be out of the house.
Yeah, I suppose.
Rock, paper, scissors?
Yeah, rock, paper, scissors. Yeah! Where are you going?
Oh, well, you've won. I've got to get this stuff together, haven't I? I'm actually really annoyed about this. Just started to make music. Look, check out some of these snaps that I've been recording. Okay, what are we actually like? What's poppin'? We should have a little dee. Nice. Look at all this stuff here. Yeah, I feel really good about this. This is really nice.
One more.
Should we give away some of these guitars?
No.
Wait. Yeah, okay. Energizer, multicolour, TV mood lights, LED strips for your TV. Before we get into this giveaway, there's some rules that I need to go over with you guys. The first one, and most important, don't tell anybody about the giveaway. The second rule, don't tell anybody about the giveaway. And the third rule, don't tell anyone about the giveaway. How are you guys going to enter? Well, simply just comment down below what you want. As well as that, you also need to comment the movie that's referenced throughout this video. What was that?
And like the video. It's just an easy one.
Oh, yeah.
And just don't say that ever.
Help me out, that always helps. If you could always drop a like, that'd be brilliant. Right, okay, so this is my other loft, and yes, I'm completely done giving things away now. To do now is do something because I'm bored. So essentially, to cut a long story short, I replaced this ultra-wide monitor on my setup with a 16:9 4K gaming monitor, just because I felt gaming in ultra-wide was more of a disadvantage than an advantage. And then I was up here in the loft messing around with my network the other day, and realised that I had this big white box here. So now, essentially, what I'm going to try and do with this place is, and this is the new 4K MSI gaming monitor that I'm using, by the way. You see how the gaming monitor is like floating, there's no stand? That's because it's on like an arm here. So this is an arm, but it allows you to have two monitors. So my plan is to have that ultra wide there. So quick before and after.
How old is CNAS?
So I didn't really tell you guys the main reason as to why I wanted to update my setup, and that's because I want to start streaming, seeing as we're obviously all at home. I've been really enjoying Call of Duty Warzone, but the thing is I'm playing in 4K, so this is only a 1080p capture card and it was in my computer. I've cleaned this thing out now, and I'm going to put this 4K 60 in from Elgato, so now I should be able to stream my gameplay. So my plan here is to now come out of my GPU's HDMI port and go into the Elgato so we can record it, and then this HDMI port from the Elgato will then go out to the monitor. And I know people will say, Alex, why don't you just record your screen? You're streaming off of a PC, and I completely understand that, but my GPU is, well, it's under enough strain running all the screens that I've got. So to take some of the encoding off of that, I'm just gonna let the Elgato 4K card do all of the heavy lifting. Man, I am sweating. We get a little bit of sun here in the UK. It's 22 degrees today. I am absolutely on fire. Okay, so I've now turned that camera on and plugged it into the computer. You won't be able to see it, but down there via an Elgato cam link. So now if you guys are to look up here, straight into OBS, you can see that camera link is, well, right in the computer. And I haven't even talked about the setup yet. Like, this is just absolutely surreal to sit here. Just adding this third element, this third screen to this entire thing has made it, I don't know, it's made it come alive. But obviously with the 3 zones of lighting on the desk, you can go ahead and change the lighting patterns between, you know, whatever. If I click on the in-game tab, we should get my little face cam border up there, and then whatever is on this screen. So, mission accomplished. I've just wiped down all of these screens because they had like fingerprint mark. And then down here, oh, what do we have here? Is this my new Mars Media Wireless website that I've had built on Squarespace? So my friend Jed and I have worked together to build my brand new website on Squarespace, and I'm gonna be taking you guys through it very, very shortly. It's almost done, and it's all about my company where I sell and provide internet to people. Whether you're trying to sell things, they've got like e-commerce on there, or you just wanted to make a simple website for, well, it could be anything, your wedding. They've got loads of templates on there, so essentially you choose a template or a website design, and then you can go in and you can mess around with that, change it, upload your own photos, change all the text, and they make it super, super easy. So if that sounds fancy enough and you would like to save 10% on your first Squarespace website or domain, go to squarespace.com/MarzBarVlogs or use code MarzBar at checkout. But with that being said, guys, my Twitch link is also going to be in the description. I'm going to be live streaming hopefully this weekend, and I'm making some more videos for you lot too. Just a bit of entertainment, just a bit of fun, just a bit of something to do. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Hey! Raindrops, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot, cooking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Nobody call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Hey. It's bad and bullshit.